Hey there, guys. I thought I would show you a quick how-to on something that's been hard for me to set up over the last couple of years um, that I just figured out today. So if somebody else figured this out, kudos to them. Um, I didn't know anything about it. So what I've done here is create a quick little subcategory, what do you call these things, library, of just a specific kind of content. Um, this wasn't done dynamically, so don't get your hopes up. I'm hoping Plex guys give us some solution for this, but I wanted to create a library that had all kids things related in it without creating an actual separate library. Here I've got all my rips that I have of my Blu-rays, and none of these are actually stored separately. Everything's in my original movie folder, which I'll show in a second. And we've done this with Symlinks. So, short version, get this done. Go to Google and search. Go to Google and search link shell extension. And it's this handy dandy little tool right here. And what you want to do is go to the download section, and you've got to download, scroll down a little bit. You got to download two pieces. One, this is the prerequisite. Looks like Visual Studio 2005, Service Pack 1. They have F464 or x86. And then the link shell extension covers both of them. So install whichever one is the right one for you, and then install the link shell extension. It will restart File Explorer, so bear that in mind. Don't forget when it does. But at the end of the day, you should get a quick little what's this called? Tab to be able to navigate all the different file pieces. So let me show you how this works. So real quick, I've got for example, if I wanted to say Christmas movies, it's my destination, and I can come in here and look at my movies and find a Christmas one. So here's A Christmas Carol. And this took me a second to figure out. You don't just drag and drop or control click. You need to drag with the right mouse button. So drag that over with the right mouse button. Oh, wait a minute. Let me get inside this folder first. So I'm inside where I'm my destination, where I want the link stored. And then I'm going to drag this over. And it says drop here, and we're going to do a symbolic link. Say yes. And now I've got a little Christmas Carol here. And you can see, if I make this big, I got a nice little icon here telling me that's a symbolic link. These are also relative paths. So if you do this using link shell extension, then it should work across network drives and all sorts of different things. I have all my stuff in D storage, but it's mounted on my other server as Z, and all the links still work. So from here you can see that when I click inside, it's showing as D Christmas movies, A Christmas carols, but the file itself wasn't copied here. It's just a link to where that original file is hosted, which is on D. So with that, Plex will see this as an additional location, which allows you to put as many of these in here as you want. Do another one real quick. And now when I go to Plex, I can do create a new library, movies, and call this Christmas movies. Next, look for that folder. You can see those folders already exist in there. And that's it. And after a quick little refresh, there's my 2 Christmas movies. So this works really well if you want to call out a specific library, like I did with the kids one here. Go ahead and delete this because I don't care about having that in particularly. Yes, I'm sure. Anyways, hope that was really helpful and you guys enjoyed it. Happy hunting.